First off, thank you so much for downloading this template. And here are the instructions to get you up and running. All right, first off is you're going to go up here to the top right, and you are going to go to more options here, and you're going to select make a copy. Once you select that, it's going to prompt you to select your new data source. So you're just going to select this and drop down into your Power My Analytics data source. If you don't have Power My Analytics, you're going to want to do that first. So we're going to take a step back and go to Power My Analytics. All right, so here you are at Power My Analytics. You can either sign up for a free trial or log into your account. Under pricing, you can see it's about $30 a month, and you will be able to power this report as well as a lot of other reports because it's unlimited there. So I'm just going to log in and show you how to do this. Once you're in, you'll see a lot of data sources. So here we are, and what you're going to do is just go to your Facebook and Instagram, and you're going to select it, and then you're going to just simply log in to give Power My Analytics credentials to query the API from Facebook. And here, it's a great tool, right? You have unlimited data sources, so you can test out a lot of these if you'd like. But Facebook and Instagram, you want to add the account that you have access to those accounts for. I know that sounds a little bit wild, but whatever account you have access to the Facebook Business Manager, you're going to want to add that Facebook account here. Once you do that, go back here, refresh the page, and you should see your data source here. I'm just going to keep this because we're using the same data source in this situation, and you're going to hit Copy Report. All right. So once you copy the report, you are going to see that there's a new report up and running, and it will drop you right into the actual report. Then you want to select exactly which reports you have. So here is how we do that, is you're going to go up here to Resources, and you're going to go to Manage Added Data Sources. And here you can see exactly the name. You can name this if you'd like to. We just get the Facebook ads because we're using an anonymous, anonymizing our clients there. But if you wanted to, you can go in here and edit this, which will give you the options of adding in, changing names, also seeing every single field you have. And if you want to go to this connection, right, this is where it's going to ask you about your connection to the Facebook ads that you logged in. You can select your ad account, you can select the attribution window, and you can set the currency. I would suggest keeping the ad attribution windows default just so that your reports will line up within Business Manager. So here you can select your ad accounts, you can select the specific attribution, and then also put it in a currency. Sorry, I had to blur some of this out because we don't run ads for our business, so we had to use a client account here. All right, so now you should have your account. You will be up and running within your reports, and now we're going to talk about customizations. So up here at the top, you're probably going to want to not keep our logo on here because that would be odd. If you do, that's awesome. Would love to meet you if you're running a profitable business with our logo. Next, you're going to see you have these three reports, right? So the reason why we have purchase and leads is because we want to make sure that you are covering both types of businesses. So if you are not a lead gen business, you can simply click in here, right? Highlight all of this, then hold Shift, unclick that, and hit delete, right? You would now no longer have leads. Boom, you're good to go. We're going to put that back. And if you do that, just simply go to the page, right? You got purchase report, lead report, and you can delete everything from that. And you can even click in here and select hide the page in your view report. All right, now if you want to customize anything, feel free to do that. The number one customizations I think most people are going to want to do is either add in something specific as a KPI, so we left some blank space up here, and you can easily grab those from the report. So if we're going to copy this, right, cost per lead, say for example you wanted to have the account ID just to make sure that you knew exactly what you had, you could drop that in there. So that is the customizations. And lastly, if you obviously go and remove this button, if you had something very specific, you could add in another page. So to add another page, you can go up here, add a new page, and it will give you this blank canvas with the specifics the bars and the navigation on the left. So you can easily add in another page if you'd like to. Let's just say we wanted to have a chart here. Or a scorecard, and we could throw in our cost per funnel lead if you were doing if you were having a funnel lead. All right, so that should be it. You should be up and running. You should have this report. You can feel free to just copy and paste things. If you have questions, please send an email to us over at hello@mediaauthentic.com. And we will answer that usually within 24 hours and get you up and running. All right. Thank you so much. Bye.